to Canada, ladies and gentlemen. It's coming down today. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Doby here. Today we're gonna be cooking some ramen. I just grabbed a few things out of my fridge, so let's get after it because it's cold. Whew. Ooh. I had to reposition the truck, guys. I had to put everything away and turn it around because the wind is coming this way, and I had the back of the truck facing the wind and all the snow in my truck. Like, look at this. Look at this. There's snow everywhere on my guitar, but we're good now. Good to go. Now this is by no means a genuine Japanese ramen. I do plan on making that sometime for you guys. This is just what I had in my fridge at the time, and just grabbed anything I could, and now we're putting it together. So I think it'll turn out all right, but yeah, it's not authentic Japanese ramen. Look at all them birds over there. There's an occultist meeting all up and down the river. Okay, finally done. After half a foot of snow later, add the veg. And we're gonna top it off with some Kikkomans. Okay, I'm getting in there, guys. Alright, bone apple feet. It has just come to my attention that I don't have a fork in here. So, either spatula or tongs, I'm not sure. None of them are really ideal, but they're gonna have to do, right? Alright, I think tongs is the play for sure. I'm not sure if spatula would really work. They're just so big. I really wish I had my fork. Cheers, guys. Delicious. So first snowfall of the year, and it's a big one. And we're talking already probably 8 to 10 inches of snow since this morning. And is showing no signs of slowing down. Oh no, we're just getting started here. Honestly, might have to just go hands. Maybe just one tongue. You know what I mean? Just, but then I kind of have to fit my head in, you know. This is just not an ideal situation to be in. Like the tongs are like eating my head. This is working a little better though. Ended up finishing the ramen. Hammered it pretty good. Ended up using a combination of the spatula and the tongs, but we got it done and it was actually delicious, guys. It was unreal. Just for throwing together some random things. I think it was the Mirin cooking wine. Just brought it together. This time I wonder what it feels like to find the one in this life, the one we all dream of, where dreams are signing off. So I'll be waiting for the real thing, 'cause nobody wants to be the last one there, and everyone wants to feel like someone cares. There's someone to love with my life in their hands. There's gotta be somebody for me like that, 'cause nobody wants to do it on their own, and everyone wants to know they're not alone. There's somebody else that feels the same somewhere, so there's gotta be somebody for me out there tonight, out on the street, out in the moonlight. And damn it, this feels too right. We used to be kids living just for kicks, in cinema seats learning how to kiss, running through streets that were painted gold. We never believed we'd grow up like this. Thank you. Thank you very much. I bought these new ginger beers. You know when you see something on sale in the grocery store and it's something you usually get? You're like, oh yeah. So I seen ginger beers. I just thought, oh, all ginger beers are the same. So I grabbed these ones. They're on sale, whatever. Not the usual one I would get. And they're just not very tasty. Well, they're not bad, but like, I wouldn't tell you to go and buy these. I would never buy these again. No shame on Zevia. If anyone from Zevia is watching this video, I'm sorry, but Lakers won, guys. We're going to bed on a good note. Good night, guys.